Installing your 2B1 backup software. Please download and install the 2B1 backup software to the server or computer that has the data that you like to back up. Use Internet Explorer or Firefox to go to 2b1inc.com. Then click on 2B1 Backup Service. Scroll down at the bottom of this page, then click on the Download for Win button. Depending on the version of the browser you're using, you will get a window that lets you choose to run or save the file. Please set the file to your computer. When it has finished saving it, you will have the options to run for Internet Explorer or double-click on the file in the download windows in Firefox. Depending on your system, you may have to click on the Run, OK or Yes buttons more than once. When you get to the Backup Service Client installation wizard, please click on the Next button. Click on the Accept the Software License Agreement option and then click on the Next button. In the next window, the installation program selects the name of the computer that you are installing 2B1 Backup program on. We suggest to go with the default and then click on the Next button. Now, select the installation option Custom and click on the Next button. This allows you to select Install as a Windows service. This is what we recommend for Windows servers and PC. With this selection, the user will never have to manually start 2B1 Backup program, and it will run in the background as a service when the computer is turned on. Please go with the default in the next window and leave the Local System Account selected and click on the Next button. Choose where you want to install 2B1 Backup program files. Make sure that you have enough space for the installation. For a server install, you may want to choose a partition different than C, where you have more space. Click on the Next button once you have selected your path. In the next window, leave the web server port to 6060. We suggest to leave the username admin and create your own password. Please be certain to remember this password. This is the password that you will need to log in into the web console interface when configuring or monitoring your backups. Then, click on the Next button. You may go with the default in these windows and click on Next. Now, choose if you like to create a desktop icon or a quick launch icon. Then, click on the Next button. The following window just shows you your selections and confirms before the actual installation begins once you click on the Install button. The installation will start. When the installation of 2B1 Backup is completed, you can choose the options of View the README, Start the Backup Service application, and Open the Back Service web console. Now you can click on the Finish button to finish the installation process. You successfully install 2B1 Backup program on your server or computer. Other videos are available that show you how to create a backup job or restore files. This is Paolo Broggi from 2B1 Inc. Thank you for watching.